This is a private demonstration of a loyalty program that a merchant can run utilizing Clover POS and a solution by CSI Works. So the experience starts with an app that's called Cloud CRM, and it handles a few things, including age verification for age-restricted products and the program that we're talking about here. So I'm going to navigate to in-store digital coupon program, and let me just demonstrate how this works. So I have this thing turned on, right? And we can turn it on and have this triggering basically for anyone. And when we say anyone, we mean like any transaction, right? So we won't recognize who the transaction was for. We'll just trigger the coupons anyways. Or we can actually have the customer assignment to be a part of it, right? So we can say all customers, or we can say selected customers. So this can actually be run for specific customer base or your entire customer base. And then you have the triggering, right? So when do you want to trigger this coupon? Always based on number of visits or based on the amount spent, right? And again, because we're doing customer assignment, if we just put it on anyone, we no longer are saying amount visits, the number of visits, because we're not tracking that. So for the number of visits to be present, we'll have to say repeat customers, and then there's a number of visits, right? And we can go based on the amount spent or just the number of visits, or always. And then what is the coupon going to be redeemable for? Is it going to be for the entire order, or do you want to just restrict it to a certain number of specific items, right? So then you can just select what those items are. What is the coupon type? Is it a percentage or the dollar amount? In my case, it's 10 cents. When does it expire? In my case, it never expires. So just for the simplicity's sake, I'm going to go ahead and just put it on anyone, right? Or actually, let's go ahead and do repeat customers. But so that I'm not dragging out this demo, we'll just do it on the very first visit. So on the very first transaction, as long as we know who the customer is, we want to issue a coupon, right? Or and there we go. And so the program settings include showing a floating widget to scan. So this is for the merchant. And the other two are print Gardo registration link and print Gardo link instead of in-store coupons. The first one just invites customers to register on the consumer app. And the second one issues the coupon inside their account and then invites them to register and says, the coupon is going to be available inside your account. And now I'm going to visit, basically go to the register app and start the transaction. I'm putting in the beer, and here is where Cloud CRM functions as an age verification technology. So it's going to ask us to scan the driver's license. We can go by returning customer or do some manual verification. So I'm going to go ahead and just scan my DL, and I will get age verified. And now it'll ask me for loyalty customer, right? So this will assign me to this transaction. And I'm going to go ahead and continue. And I'll go ahead and pay for this transaction, right? And so here we go. We're getting a receipt, right? And then we're getting a coupon. Here it is, right? So it kicks out a coupon. And at this point, instead of a coupon, this QR code would lead to the customer to the following experience. Instead of printing out the coupon, we will print out the QR code that leads the customer to the registration or already registered account on Gardo. There it is. And I'm going to allow my location, and it's going to pick up at my location, right? So this thing, from the customer perspective, is location based, okay? And so it shows me the stores, and right now I'm sort of on the road, so my stores are quite far away from me, but this right here are my stores, right? So here's my store, for example, and the coupons that were issued from Cloud CRM are here, and we can just scan them, like, so we can just come to the store with these coupons and ask him to scan these. And also, we can see, like, right now we're, the products. So like these are the store, right? So here's the store. And these are the products that I have purchased from this store in the past. Okay, and so we have the discounts, and basically that's what the customer gets. They get to see your store inside their app, this one, and whatever purchases they make are visible to them inside this app, and whatever coupons or discounts you issue utilizing cloud CRM, they will see inside their app, and then they'll be able to come to the store and bring it. And so